Does time have an end, or is it infinite? Have you ever wondered about this question? Today we grapple with the enigmatic nature of time. We'll explore the contrasting views that see time as infinite or finite and ever ticking. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of time. Time, we measure it, we live by it, but do we really understand it? Let's take a step back and try to understand what time really is. Imagine you're baking a cake. You mix your ingredients, put it in the oven, and after a set number of minutes, you have a delicious cake. This sequence of events happens in a certain order, and that order is essentially what we call time. Now, in the broader sense, time is also the way we differentiate between past, present, and future. It's the reason why we can't eat our cake before we bake it, or why we can't unspill a glass of milk. This direction of time from past to future is what we call the arrow of time. But here's where it gets a bit complex. In the realm of science, time isn't as straightforward as it seems. The theories of relativity and quantum mechanics give us a different perspective of time. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is intertwined with space, forming a four-dimensional fabric called space-time. This means time can be bent, stretched, and even slowed down. Think of it like this: if you were to travel at the speed of light, time would theoretically stop for you. On the other hand, quantum mechanics, the theory that explains the behavior of particles at the smallest scales, suggests that time could be a fundamental, indivisible element of the universe, or it could be an emergent property arising from other, more fundamental concepts. Both theories are incredibly successful in their respective realms, yet they offer conflicting views of time, which is one of the biggest unresolved puzzles in physics. So time is not as straightforward as it seems. It's a complex, multidimensional concept that is still not fully understood. But it's this complexity, this enigma, that makes the study of time so fascinating, so captivating. And who knows, perhaps one day we'll unravel the true nature of time. Now let's consider the first viewpoint. Is time infinite? In the grand scheme of things, infinity is a concept that's hard to wrap our heads around. However, when applied to time, it sparks some intriguing theories. The first of these is the concept of eternal recurrence. This Nietzschean idea proposes that time is cyclical, endlessly repeating past events in a loop. Then we have the multiverse theory. This idea suggests that there are an infinite number of universes existing parallel to ours, each with their own timeline, creating an infinite amount of time in the grand cosmic scale. Moreover, some scientific theories, like quantum mechanics and general relativity, don't explicitly limit the span of time, suggesting an infinite continuum. But remember, these are just theories, and the true nature of time is still a mystery that continues to baffle the brightest minds. So there are compelling arguments and theories that suggest time could indeed be infinite. On the other hand, could time actually run out one day? Ponder upon this. Some theories do suggest that time could be finite. Take, for instance, the concept of the Big Crunch, where the universe might collapse into itself, effectively ending time. Then there's the idea of the heat death of the universe, where all energy disperses and nothing happens anymore, effectively freezing time. So there are equally compelling arguments and theories that suggest time could indeed have an end. So is time infinite, or will it one day run out? The truth is, we don't know yet. This enigma, wrapped in the fabric of our reality, continues to challenge our comprehension. Yet, the pursuit of understanding time keeps pushing our scientific boundaries. While we may not have definitive answers, one thing is certain: the exploration of time continues to captivate our curiosity and stretch the boundaries of our understanding.